makes our skin darkened or tanned. The more we get tan, the more unattractive we look. After getting suntan, it is not easy to bring our skin back to a normal state, but with patience and care, it can be done. Instead of spending money on expensive cosmetic products, try some natural and effective home remedies which are available in our kitchen. They lighten suntan, giving you fresh, attractive, and glowing skin. The most popular and effective home remedy for removal of tan is lemon juice. The citric acid present in lemon juice helps to remove dead skin cells, tan, and pimple scars. Take a lemon and rub the lemon to the ground to get more juice out of it. Cut lemon into slices and squeeze juice from it. Take a cotton ball and dip it in lemon juice and apply juice all over the tanned area and give massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it for 10 minutes and when it gets dry, wash it with cold water. This is one of the best effective anti-tan face pack which brings glowing skin. Second effective home remedy for tan skin is tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes are the most common ingredient we use in our cooking. If you are sensitive to lemon, then tomatoes are easiest and safest method to remove tan. Take a tomato, cut it into slices and rub it directly to your tanned areas for 5 minutes. Leave it for 10 minutes and as it dries up, wash it with cold water. Another effective home remedy for tanned skin is gram flour turmeric paste. This is one of the effective old age home remedy to remove tan which works like a magic. For making this, add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and finally add 2 tablespoons of curd and mix them to get a thick paste. Apply this mixture on the tanned areas and leave for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash it with cold water. Apply any one of these home remedies daily for getting fair skin. You will definitely observe change within a week. To get best results from these home remedies, we must follow few tips. Before applying any face pack, wash your face with soap to remove dirt from the face. One should always prepare a fresh batch of face pack to get desired results. After removing face pack, wash face with cold water, pat it dry and apply little moisturizer to prevent dry skin. After applying tan packs, one should not get exposed to sun immediately, so preferably apply tan packs in the evenings. Apply sunscreen to body